Modelo number 3.
Modelo number 4.
Modelo number 5.
Modelo number 6.
Asa ang number 6?
Ayan na. Ay, no, nakatingin sa'yo, oh. Modelo number 6. Modelo number 7. Modelo number 8. Modelo number 9.
Asa yung baso ko?
Modelo number 10. And of course, modelo number 11. Okay, 1 to 5 na po sa baba and 6 to 11 ay sa taas. Tama po ba, Sir Rex? 1 to 5 sa baba.
Okay, I top you. Ito po yung ating modelo from 1 to 11.
Correct.
So, everyone, tuloy natin muna. Para mas strong na po, para malaman po natin lahat, meron po tayo, uulitin ko po meron po tayong judges. So, modelo 1 to 3, sa harap muna. Model number 1, 2, and 3, to your right now. Okay. To your right now.
Right 3.
Okay, to your right now. And to your right now. Thank you so much.
Alam pa kang
Model
talaga
number
natin.
1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, okay.
4, 5, and 6.
Judges, to your right now. Models. Models, to your right now. And to your right now. Thank you so much. Model 4, 5, and 6. And now, 7, 8, and 9.
7, 8, and 9. 7, 8, and 9.
Okay, models, to your right now. Uy, puto naman. To your right now. And last, to your right now. Yes, models, thank you. 7, 8, and 9.
And 10, 11 models.
Let's go.
Para magkapatid sila.
Dalawa. Okay, models. Aray ko, punyeta.
To your right now. To your right now. And another right now. And
I
another
love
right.
you! Palakpakan! Judges,
Magbibigay po tayo ng ating special award.
At this juncture, we are going to...
Napasaya nyo kaming lahat. Anyway, bago ko yung award yung Mr. Aficionado, Mr. Takoyate. Kami kasi mga judges kanina, medyo nagkakaalaman na kami ng mga favorites nila.
Correct!
Gusto ko malaman ang favorites ninyo. Gusto ko marinig ang numbers. Anong numbers? Sa labas, sino favorite nyo?
Sa labas daw po, sino pa ang favorite nyo dyan? One din. 1 and 7 din daw.
Sino bet mo?
number 1.
I'm just curious sa kanya kasi ang ganda ng tattoo. I'm just curious lang, curious lang talaga.
Bakit sa pas?
Ganun ba? Kasi kung hindi niya, ang wala ng tattoo sa likod mo, yung back mo, hindi mo nilalagyan ng tattoo ang puwet. Yun ang gusto ko lang malaman. Go! Go! Pakita mo lang, yung back mo. Oh, wala kasi siyang tattoo. Hindi ba kita nilalagyan ng tattoo?
Papalagyan ko.
Kung gusto ko. Sige.
Eme? Chadeli, wag na. Sir Louis.
Nawala.
Okay.
Mr. Aficionado. Sarap ni Juan, no? Para nag-aapo. Para nag-aapo siya, no?
2.
Ano kaya siya, no? Channel 7.
Alam mo kasi talagang maganda yung pagka-develop. But he's also not perfect in kaya. Pero yun lang yung choice nila. Sasabihin ko pala yung choice. Okay, good luck, number 7. Okay. His number.
Sarap si Bakyo.
I actually used my assistant before. Before I was impossible. Anything about me before. Pero wala, 10 years. Congratulations.
Ang being awarded by
Ma'am Raquel, of course.
Miss Raquel. Palakpakan mo lang si Miss Raquel. Miss Raquel is one of the owner of ano mo, Calabaos. Award is Cardiff number.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant or modelo number
Cardiff number 9.
Kasi, so na-appreciate ko yung tattoo niya.
Yes! Perfect.
Pero gusto ko kasi matutunan lagi tattoo. Hindi, may calling card ko. Ito kasi, yung mga art ko, gawa sa paso ko sinusunod. Tapos, since meron akong art, tapos ginawa ko siya sa tote bag, parang na ako sa hobby ni Ake. So, siya yung napili ko kasi artist po ako.
Best in rainwear partner.
Our best in rainwear.
Being awarded by Madam Jojo. Wala pong mag-award. Hindi ko na mag-award.
Come on, Sir Jo. Si Sir Jojo pa mag-award.
Total, buka ka naman. Koro Paroko. Let's go. Ma'am, Miss Jojo, let's go.
Seryoso na ito.
Ito na mag-award. Gusto mo na nakalagay.
And for our best in rainwear,
Yes.
we have... Ayun po, Sir Jo.
Taka naman sa Jo.
Once again, we have our modelo number 1.
Parang number one. For our best in
Thank you, Sir Joe. And for our next award,
Okay, our best in lingerie to be awarded by
To be awarded by all of you.
Sir Rudy. Please. Please. Award lang po. Palakpakan po lang Sir Rudy.
ano, Sir Rudy?
Rudy Agamosa. Agamosa Promisor. Ayun. Sige, okay lang. Magbasag lang kayo. Marami kaming baso. Mayaman kami. Sir Rudy. Please.
And for our best in lingerie, we have
Certificate from Sayo Salon. Yes. None other than candidate number
again candidate number 1. Maraming salamat po kay Sir Rudy. Sir Rudy, maraming salamat po.
mahal na mahal kita, Sir Rudy. Gusto ko mag-limit tayo. Always time, special award po, magbibigay po ng iPhone 10.
Sino yan?
Akong ibigay. Okay, correct?
Okay, this judge, let me call on Mr. Tom David.
Ay, iba din si Sir Tom.
Sir Tom, nakasounds mo na ako, Sir Tom.
Okay. He will be having Tom David Choice Award. He will be giving iPhone 10 to this candidate.
Wow!
In this candidate, he will have iPhone 10 from Tom David. Candidate number.
I will choose for the number. Just I choose number 7.
Wow!
Palakpakan lang natin.
Mabalitig yan.
Friend ko yan.
And he received
Elizabeth was the very generous
Best friend ko yan.
at ang napakayamang ni Elizabeth.
Best in sexy bikini.
Okay?
Our best in
Pagkakaroon po
sexy
siya ng
bikini.
certificate ng Sayo Salon and Evelyn Lisa.
Yeah,
And this time, our best in sexy bikinis. Model number
Once again, model number 1.
Everyone, I love you. Meron po tayong judges, ha? Pumunta ko po. Meron po tayong judges. Thank you so much, Madam Lilibet.
Thank you so much, Madam Lilibet, na isa sa napaka-generous.
Okay, this time pag-diretso po tayo. Best in Choice Bikini. At magkakaroon po siya ng gift certificate from Sayo Salon and Edwin Lisa. Okay, to be awarded by Direct.
To be awarded by Best in Choice Bikini will be awarded by Sir Nicky Ba.